Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find help in the AusPost application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Now you should wait a little bit until the app loads in. Once that is done and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see the more option. Press on it. And here if you scroll down a little bit, you will see the help and information section, and there you should select the second option, which is help and support. Press on it and you can see here the topics that you can get help with. For example, a parcel on its way, and let's say select the taking longer than expected. And you can see here all the information in this page about the specific topic, and it is quite long, so more than likely it can help you out with that problem. If not, you can also see here frequently asked questions, and you might be able to find the answer in that section as well. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.